One question Michelle and I hear a lot for those that are self-employed and doing some type of payroll is how do I balance my taxes and saving for the future? I want to walk through an example here and just show you some of the mechanics on how that works. So in this first example, let's say that you pay yourself $1,000, this total round example. After Social Security, which is 6.2%, and Medicare, which is 1.45%, your net check, what you're actually paying yourself, what's getting deposited in the bank, is $923. So now you have a lot of flexibility on what you're covering as far as withholdings, what you're paying yourself as far as retirement, and I want to walk through those. I've kind of noted these here in blue. These are the ones where you can determine the dollar amount, you can determine the percentage. The flexibility is up to you. So let's talk through pre-tax. Pre-tax is just another way of saying 401k or a traditional 401k. You can choose a percentage, you can choose a dollar amount. So here, let's assume you're gonna put $100 away per paycheck. The nice thing is this is pre-tax, meaning it's reducing your taxable wages down to $900. You're getting the deduction now, saving for the future. When you eventually pull it out, it's taxed at that rate. Federal withholdings, state withholdings, after tax. After tax is another way of saying Roth or post-tax. So in this case, maybe you want to do, I don't know, $50 towards a Roth 401k. I'm going to write here 401k Roth. Essentially what we're doing is we're getting down to our net income. How much do we want withheld? Where do we want it withheld? And here are some other ones. So federal withholding, state withholding. Here in Illinois, our state tax rate is 4.95%. So maybe I want 5% withheld. 5% of the 1,000 is another 50. And federal withholdings. Maybe I didn't have enough withheld last year, or I need to bump it up, or I had too much and I had a large refund. I want to reduce that. That could be a percentage, it could be a dollar amount. Let's just say we're going to have 10% per paycheck withheld, so $100. So now when you get down to the bottom line, 900 less these deductions gets you to $623.50. That's the net check. If you didn't mean to pay yourself that much, you wanted to put more towards your 401k, you can. You have $600 to really play with. So as a small business owner, you have a lot of options as far as how much you pay yourself, how much you withhold, how much you put towards the future. Really, the flexibility is all in your hands. And this is really a great way to think about how do I save and how do I do it efficiently.